In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a restricted Meta Business Manager account. If you've encountered this issue where your Meta Business Manager account has been restricted, don't worry, you're not alone, and there are steps you can take to resolve it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Support Home. This is your go-to hub for managing and resolving any issues related to your account. Once you're there, the crucial next step is to select the account that has been restricted. This might seem simple, but make sure you're choosing the correct account, as you may have several business manager accounts or be managing multiple ones for different clients or purposes. After selecting your account, you will find instructions in the section titled What You Can Do. This section will be your roadmap for getting your account back on track. Now, depending on the reason for the restriction, Meta will provide you with specific actions you need to undertake. One of the first things they may ask you to do is to confirm your identity. This typically involves supplying some sort of identification documentation to verify that you are indeed who you claim to be and have the authority to manage this account. Next, you might be required to complete a verification process. This is a security step designed to protect your account and ensure no unauthorized access has occurred. Verification may include some additional information you need to provide or questions you have to answer to prove rightful ownership. Following verification, Meta might ask you to secure your account with two-factor authentication. This is an excellent security measure to have for any of your accounts. It adds an additional layer of security that requires not only your password but also a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone. If you believe that the restriction was applied in error, perhaps due to misunderstanding or incorrect information, you have the option to request a review. This means you'll have a chance to present your case and provide any evidence that supports your claim that the restriction should be lifted. It's important to remember that all these steps need to be taken by an admin of the account. Ensure the person handling these tasks has the requisite administrative rights, otherwise progress can't be made. Finally, there's a time frame you need to respect. Typically, Meta allows a window of about 180 days to resolve restrictions. Acting within this period is crucial, as failing to do so could result in more permanent restrictions, severely impacting your business operations. Keep these timelines in mind as you work through the recovery process. With persistence and adherence to Meta's guidelines, you'll be well on your way to recovering your restricted Meta Business Manager account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.